Feel the confidence rise with the best sports tight-fitting jumpsuit fitness suit for women, created to move with your body and empower your spirit. Every motion feels natural. Every glance in the mirror reminds you of your strength. Designed to make you feel bold, beautiful, and unstoppable, it blends comfort with elegance. Step into your workout with motivation and grace, and let this suit inspire the best version of you every single day. Number 1. 2/3/4 PCS Yoga Set Gym Clothes Sportswear Seamless Sports Bra Gym. Awaken your inner strength with a 2-3-4 pieces yoga set gym clothes. Sportswear seamless yoga suits for women. Fitness long-sleeved tracksuits. Sports bra gym leggings, thoughtfully designed to inspire movement and confidence. Each piece feels smooth and gentle on the skin, wrapping your body in comfort that motivates every stretch, pose, and lift. Its refined design complements your natural shape, helping you feel elegant and powerful during any workout. Whether you are flowing through yoga, training at the gym, or simply embracing an active lifestyle, it becomes a symbol of balance, energy, and self-love. This set transforms effort into ease, encouraging you to stay consistent and confident with every move. Perfect for women who value both comfort and beauty, it enhances your routine with motivation, grace, and lasting style that keeps your spirit strong and your body ready to perform at its best. Number 2. One-piece seamless spandex U-neck short-sleeved bodysuit. Unleash your confidence with the one-piece seamless spandex U-neck short-sleeved bodysuit with hip-lifting gym clothing. Women's fitness jumpsuit, crafted to celebrate strength and elegance in every motion. Its smooth design embraces your body with a gentle, flexible touch, giving you the freedom to move effortlessly while enhancing your natural shape. Each workout feels more empowering as it supports your rhythm and flow, helping you stay focused and comfortable. Whether you are training, stretching, or enjoying a morning run, it keeps your energy alive and your spirit motivated. Designed to inspire self-belief, it brings together beauty, comfort, and performance in perfect harmony. With every move, it becomes more than just active wear, it becomes a reflection of determination, passion, and self-love that makes every moment of your fitness journey feel powerful and graceful. Number 3. Naked Zipper Short-Sleeved Yoga Suit Jumpsuit. Feel the perfect blend of style and strength with the Naked Zipper Short-Sleeved Yoga Suit Jumpsuit. Quick-drying breathable outdoor sports tight-fitting jumpsuit fitness suit, designed to move with your body and elevate your energy. Its sleek and flexible form creates a smooth, second skin feeling that enhances every stretch and step. The soft, lightweight touch keeps your mind calm and your body free, letting you focus fully on your performance. Whether you are flowing through yoga, training at the gym, or running outdoors, it keeps your spirit refreshed and your motivation high. Crafted for women who value elegance and movement, it brings balance between comfort and confidence. Each motion feels natural, every moment feels empowering, turning your workout into an inspiring experience that uplifts your mood and strengthens your mindset from within. Number 4. Women Yoga Leggings Hips Lifting Gym. Empower your every move with the Women Yoga Leggings Hips Lifting Gym Leggings. Seamless sport pants. High-waist fitness leggings. Bubble butt workout running pants, crafted to highlight your natural curves while giving unmatched comfort. The soft, flexible fabric moves with your body, allowing you to flow through every pose, stretch, and run with ease. Each detail is designed to make you feel confident, graceful, and strong from the moment you wear it. Whether you are training indoors, jogging outdoors, or relaxing after a long day, it wraps you in support that feels natural and effortless. Its flattering shape enhances your silhouette, inspiring self-assurance with every glance. Created for women who value both comfort and style, it transforms ordinary workouts into moments of empowerment, balance, and beauty that keep you motivated to push further and shine brighter every single day. Number 5. Women's Solid Color Long-Sleeved Zipper. Elevate your workout routine with the Women's Solid Color Long-Sleeved Zipper Waist Slimming Sports Yoga Jumpsuit, created to combine elegance, comfort, and motivation in one perfect fit. Its sleek, body-hugging form moves naturally with you, giving a feeling of confidence and freedom in every stretch, pose, or run. The refined design enhances your silhouette, empowering you to feel strong, focused, and beautiful while staying active. Whether you are practicing yoga, training in the gym, or simply enjoying movement, it wraps you in support that feels effortless and smooth. Each motion becomes a reflection of inner strength and grace, inspiring you to stay consistent and push beyond limits. Crafted for women who embrace both style and determination, it turns every workout into a moment of empowerment, helping you move with balance, confidence, and a sense of unstoppable energy that lasts long after your session ends.